Hey guys, now today I want to show you one thing which is just many people don't know how to do it, and they requested me to do them for just an help so that they can understand very clear that how to install the indicator easily in this channel. You can get this for free, like just your bundle on watching, any payment on getting this installation like the way we want to show it. Some few minutes coming, so make sure you subscribe, you share, and support this channel, because your support is everything to me. So when you wanna install your indicator, any indicator in MetaTrader 4, you have something. You have to come to this icon here, and you double click that icon. Let's say for instance like this one, it will open like this. Then you go and also double click this icon here, this file. Okay, after you come to this file here, you double click this file, and it will open maybe like this or different like this. But if what we want to see is MQ5 and indicator, so we just scroll up here and then click this indicator like this. Then you can minimize this. So as you can see, your indicators very clear. For instance, all these are my indicators. Let's say I wanna just copy them. Let's say this one, this is the indicator, this is an indicator, all these are the indicators. So maybe you have only one indicator, you just copy it from the way where you just copy it, let's say like this, and come and paste it here. So because to me it's just inside there, it will be, that's why it's just telling me replace the file in the destination. I will say no, because it is inside. Okay, but to you it just will copy inside. And then if you have another one, let's say you also maybe you want all these indicators to be copied inside, you just type like this and come and copy and come here and paste. When I paste this, so it's just telling me that we can want to replace, so they are inside. That's why I can just click on replace, then I'm already done. So when everything is done like that, you just cancel this, then you go on to your expert advice like this one, to your Exness. Let's say if it is Exness of any this process, just to any broker. Well, let's say it is just MetaTrader 4. So after that, where are we going to get this? We're going to get these indicators. We're going to get them in indicator. Let's say this one is indicator, this one is an indicator. So where are we going to get them? We are going to get them, for instance, it is like this one. Okay, so this one is just indicator though. So what we have to do, we'll just come here and right click and refresh. After you refresh everything here, it will just come like this, and you will get them here. Let me do it like this, and then do it like this, so as you can see it very clear. So they get the indicator like this one. So these are the indicators. So for instance, why not put them, all of them? Let's say for this finger codes are working together. These 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are working together. So you can come here and just allow DLL, and then click OK. It will open like that one. You just break out, and then you take this breakout again and allow DLL, and then click OK. It will see the way. Then we come to CC trend, also allow DLL input, and then we click this. You will see how everything is done there. Okay, and then again you come and take the symbol rate, and then click DLL and allow it. The way you see it, it's just showing you here, and then you will come to finger code 38 number guard, and then click DLL, and then reach like this one. This is how everything is done. Okay, so it depends with your indicator on how to see, or which confirmation which you can see, so as you can understand everything. And this my indicator is going to be this way or this way or this way or this way. It depends how you see and how you learn your indicators, but that's how you can install any indicator inside there. Maybe now maybe I want to say that I want to install another indicator. Let's say I want to install this lucky. Let's say I can put it like inside to the finger code here. Then I want to install it. Then I will come again here and open it. Then I will start coming here, open this, and then I will open this file. And then after opening this file, we find where indicator is. Then I click this. Then I come, I minimize this, and I minimize. I can even cancel this. If you not can't cancel, you come inside your file inside. Then you come to the lucky. Then you copy it like this. I copy it. Then I come and paste it here. I come and paste it here. Just it is already inside, so I just can just do this. It is already copied inside, so I can come and cancel this, also come and cancel this and cancel this. Then I go to my detail like this, and everything is going to be seen like this. Okay, so let's say I have to refresh. I have to refresh indicator like this. Then after refreshment, I come and get my indicator inside, and I will get it here. So for instance, I want to put it here, this indicator reversal lucky. I will come here and allow DLL. It is reversal lucky reversal indicator. Number one, inputs. You can see inputs, differentials, colors, and verification. Okay, all time frame show in data window like this. Then I will just click OK. Then it will shows me like this. When I say come to this, it will shows me like this. Okay, let's say when I come to this, for how I did it, will show me like that. That the trading is going to be like selling. Okay, so when I come to one day also, it just educate me tell me what to really indicate it is selling like the way. Okay, so a lot of demand, a lot of supply. So it's a lot of demand there. So maybe you want to come say 15 minutes, it will just see like that. 15 minutes is the way it's just going, just starting to sell like that one. And when I come to 5 minutes also, it just will tell me okay, buying like the way I see it. So this is part of supply. Okay, this supply and this is demand. So as you can see, everything just gone there. Okay, so I think I'm done with you. So that's how you can install the indicator and drag it to the pair and start looking for your chart and your indicator, how your indicator told you to do what, then you follow what you have to do. That's how it is, and I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you get this videos helpful, please make sure you subscribe, you share, and thank you for coming.